northwestern New Jersey until 6:30 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Montague, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted: Montague, Sussex, Branchville, High Point, 5 Points, Allentown, Crandon Lakes, and Haynesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Sussex, New Jersey,